Hello world! There is this one precious and miraculous life. There is this one sacred life. Stay true to what feels honest and aligned. Honor your soul's quietest nudges. Pour your whole heart into creating something beautiful with the unknown amount of time you have in front of you, because there is more. When you are hard on yourself because you think you should be doing or completing or achieving more, remember this. If all you do in this life is stay true to yourself, create meaningful connections, give people a safe place to land, cultivate your unique gifts, and offer your wholehearted presence to every new experience that finds you, you are doing so much more than you will ever realize. And if all you ever do is have one honest conversation each day, if all you ever do is show one person that they are truly seen, if all you ever do is make someone laugh, if all you ever do is remain brave and open and curious and kind, if all you ever do is honor your beating heart, if all you ever do is sit with your pain and give yourself compassion and heal, and keep healing over and over again. And if you ever do is lean deeper into grace, if all you ever do is offer love and acceptance in rooms where it feels like there is none, then I promise you are doing so much more than you think. By Sana Kate Lee. Lenten season, Anna spent it with his family as she was at home. Happy Easter Sunday to Anna. Enjoy the feast day with your family. Yes, it's so true, Anna, as morning like this is so lovely. Nature is really the greatest place to heal and recharge. Yeah, that at this point, peace is everything. Love by Anna. On this post of Anna, it captioned with, "We often think progress means doing more, achieving faster, climbing higher, but some of the most powerful growth happens in stillness, in learning how to rest without feeling guilty, in choosing peace over pressure, in knowing that slowing down isn't the same as giving up. It's how we catch our breath, rising again." Yes, breathe in and breathe out and do it again and again until you feel grounded again. Much love. Oh, wow! Lovely to know that Mikel and Anna don't forget each other as they message each other. Here's the proof of it. Another post of Anna, as she tells us with a caption, "The most valuable math you can learn is how to calculate the future cost of your current decisions." Think about that. As you are not one in a million kind of girl, you are a once in a lifetime kind of woman. Remember that. There is really no place like home, as Simone at home in Sicily. Wish miss you so much, Simone.
Wish.
As if twin brothers.
Simone and his family visited Taormina in Sicily, as Taormina is beautiful, and if you value sea views and close access to Mount Etna above everything, then you are probably gonna love it here. Taormina is a hilltop town on the east coast of Sicily. It sits near Mount, an active volcano with trails leading to summit. The town is known for the Teatro Antico de Taormina, an ancient Greco-Roman theater still used today. Near the theater, cliffs drop to the sea, forming coves with sandy beaches. A narrow stretch of sands connect to Isola Bella, a tiny island and nature reserve. Taormina enjoys a pleasant Mediterranean climate, making it an ideal destination for year-round travel, as Taormina the most elegant city in Sicily. Also sweet to see this, the bonding time of Simone's family.
Nonna, ehi, fammi un sorriso. Tu,
And Simone in Taormina, there is someone he knows as he promotes Simone's new film.
Cari amici, dall'8 maggio vi consiglio di andare a vedere Malamore con Simone Susinna.
Tutti al cinema ragazzi, vi aspetto.
Andateci e non ve ne pentirete. Ciao a tutti.
On the new post of Simone, caption about his movie. Once you have entered his world, there is no way out. Nuncio capture you with dark charm, a man capable of confusing with a simple look. Will you be able to resist them? Malamore in cinemas from May 8th. Another photo of Michele from his new book, collab with Dolce & Gabbana. Michele reposts a trailer of Home Sweet Home Rebirth as he campaigned for his movie. Oh, I am excited of it! The adrenaline rush, the joyfulness, the braveness, the adventurous side of Brando, you can see it all here. The happiness of Brando and Marcus can't be traded in anything in this world. Yeah, bumpy car. As to what I can see, not only Brando is enjoying but also Michele, a happiness of father and son quality time as to what is written on their faces. Genuine smile that mark on their heart and soul for life. Thank you for watching my video today. Comment your reaction below. Don't forget to click the like button. Share this video to others and please subscribe on my channel. Day 112 of the 365 days of 2025.
A message to all. Your world does revolve around you. It must. In your story, you are the earth and the sun. This means you must tend to your own soil before you can help another with theirs. You must water your own flower first. You must be the moon and the stars, shining light into your darkness, and you must be the stillness that calms your own storms. So give yourself permission to put yourself first without asking for forgiveness. Allow yourself to contract before you expand. Step inside yourself and stay there for a while. Offer this as your gift to the world. You fully bloom with an inner world so radiant it spills outside of yourself and spread light to everything it touches. I hope what means for you finds you in the softest and most beautiful way. I hope it meets you like a ray of sunshine brushing against your skin, like the kind of warmth that starts inside your chest and fills every dark and hidden corner inside of you, like a soft, loving embrace, like a deep, soulful sigh of relief. I hope it feels like the kind of magic you didn't know existed. I hope that when it comes, it suddenly makes sense why your path unfold the way it did and where this broken road has been leading to all along. And more than anything, I hope you know you are worthy of it. I hope you open your heart and allow yourself to receive it. I hope it let it in. By Sana Kate Lee.